Play Protect helps keep your phone safe and your data private. It checks apps before you download them from Google Play Store. It also scans your phone for harmful apps, even if they come from outside the Play Store. If Google Play Protect finds a dangerous app, it warns you. It can stop the app or remove it from your phone. It alerts you about apps that hide information or act in a suspicious way. It also warns you if an app uses permission incorrectly or tries to access your personal data. On some Android devices, it can reset app permissions to protect your privacy. It can block unverified apps that ask for sensitive permission, often used in scams. How to use this service? Open Google Play Store app. At the right, tap the profile icon. Tap Play Protect Settings. Turn Improve Harmful App Detection on or off.